Hello everyone, when we talk about indicators, we are talking about increasing the accuracy of trading. The basis of trading does not start with indicators. It begins with knowing the basics of trading. For example, trend lines, support and resistance lines. In the next video that follows this video, we will talk in detail about using the basis of trading before setting indicators. Sorry for taking long. Well, let's change the candles to Heikin-Ashi candles. You can use Japanese candles, if you are an expert in dealing with them. Don't forget to change the time frame to 1 hour. Before we start using the indicators, we will set simple support and resistance lines. As we said, we will explain them in the next video. But now we will talk about them in general. First, we must look at the area in which we will trade, and identify the tops and bottoms in this area. To draw these lines, you can use the horizontal drawing tool. To draw resistance lines, choose two peaks close to each other, like these peaks. To draw support lines, choose close bottoms and place the line close to them. And finally, adjust the lines you drew with the previous tops and bottoms, in order to get more accuracy. Now the trading area has become more visible. If a completed green candle bounces from the support line, this may cause the price to rise. But if a completed red candle breaks through the support line, this may cause the price to go down. After we briefly talked about one of the important trading basics, we will apply a wonderful indicator, which will help us to determine when to buy and when to sell. Go to the indicators search box and type Willy. There are many Willy indicators, but in this video we will choose the best of them, which is the first one. Its shape may be a little annoying, but it is very effective. We will divide it into 3 areas, where it is easy for us to know where to buy and where to sell. The area in which this indicator moves is located between -20 and -80. For this we will add 2 lines between these areas. First, we will add the buying zone line, and it will be at the point -65. Secondly, we will add the selling area line, and it will be at the point -35. Let's apply this. To further clarify, the area below the green line that we drew, it is now the entry area, buy zone. The area above the red line that we drew is now the exit area, sell zone. The area in the middle is a neutral area. It can be entered and it can be exited, but it is not guaranteed. Okay, but how do we use this indicator? When the green line and the red line are in the buying zone, this is the signal of readiness. We wait and watch until the green line moves up and cuts the red line. Then we enter. But you should notice the following. 1. The movement of the green line should be from bottom to top. 2. The movement of the green line should be within the buying zone. 3. The red line should also be inside the buying zone. Let's see some examples here. Now look at this intersection. It's a fake signal. Because it happened in the neutral zone. And it didn't happen in the buying zone. As for the intersection that follows it, it took place in the buying area and it was successful. Okay, after we know the way to enter or buy, let's talk about the areas of sale or exit. To sell or to exit, there are two ways. First, when the red line exits from the selling area to the black area above, in other words, it cuts the -20 line. In this case, we exit. Look at the examples here. Second, when you see the green line heading down and cutting the red line, here you must sell or exit quickly, especially if the cut occurred in the selling area. In this way, you can identify the dump before it happens. It is very important. Now let's see this full example. The green line cuts the red line in the buying zone. So we buy. Here, the green line cuts the red line in the selling zone. So we sell. Finally, we will add a simple indicator to help us identify and confirm the buying and selling areas. This indicator does not need an explanation. When the green signs appear, it means the appearance of purchase points. And when the red signs appear, the opposite is true. This indicator is not very accurate, because it is used to know RSI divergence. But here we will use it for confirmation only. Now let's go to the real trading. Look at this area, the green line is cutting the red line in the buying area. Also the auxiliary indicator sent a buy mark. That's excellent. So we will buy now. As you can see, we bought at the price 44,419. Now we will wait for the price to go up. And we will wait until we get a sell signal. Now we will speed up the video from hours to minutes. You can play it slow if you want to. If you can see the price here, it's still going up. And we're still reaping the profits. As you can see, the trend break out the resistance line, and the indicator did not give a sell signal. So far we have made a profit of about 5%, and we are still waiting for the sell signal. As you can see here, there is no sell signal yet. So we still hold. As you can see, the profit now is about 6%, and we still hold. Why are we still hold? Because the red line did not reach the black area above the -20 line. Also, the green line did not cross the red line in the selling area. Now look here. The red line crosses the -20 line and exits to the black area above. The green line is going down on its way to cross the red line. Yes, it is a sell or exit signal. So, we have to sell. But I will take a risk. And I am not going to sell. Why? Because the green line that we drew at the beginning of the video, which was a resistance line, has now become a support line. So, wait for the next video. I wish you good luck.